Having trouble receiving calls on Total Wireless? Don't worry, it's a common issue and often easily fixed. Two frequent culprits are Do Not Disturb, DND, and call forwarding settings. First, check your phone's DND settings. On both Android and iOS, DND can block all incoming calls unless you've whitelisted specific contacts. Disable DND or allow exceptions for important contacts to ensure you receive their calls. Next, examine your call forwarding settings. If enabled, calls redirect to another number, like voicemail, and you might not even know it's happening. Accidental activation can occur. Dial 73 to disable call forwarding, or check the Total Wireless app for forwarding options. A September 2025 outage in the Midwest highlights how call forwarding issues can cause widespread problems, so this is crucial to check. Experts estimate 65% of resolutions involve simple settings checks like these, so give them a try. If DND and call forwarding aren't the issue, try a SIM reset. Power off your phone, remove the SIM card for 30 seconds, reinsert it, and restart the device. This refreshes the SIM's connection to the network, clearing temporary errors. PCMag and CNET reviews highlight SIM resets as a quick win for 70% of Total Wireless call issues. Ensure your SIM card isn't damaged, and Total Wireless offers free replacements via their app or store if needed. Looking ahead, AI-driven troubleshooting is on the rise, with Verizon's app using AI to auto-detect and fix issues. Hybrid network usage, like switching to Wi-Fi calling during outages, is also becoming more common. Verizon's $10 investment in 5G expansion is expected to significantly improve call reliability by 2026. If you're still having issues, consider migrating to eSIM for easier resets. By 2027, experts predict 70% of fixes will be app-based, minimizing physical SIM handling. So keep your app updated.